Time now to look at the training specific.
Encourage class not to stop, but to stay with you as you feel them. That'd be nice sometimes.
This is their surface going.
Would you dress like this? I was waiting for him to do something.
What's my camera thing doing?
The moves are big, and so is the song. It's strong and athletic, full stop.
You get it in my hair as well, and have white hair.
I'm gonna make it grey.
Joining me today is Kathy. Kathy's going to demo some of the common faults we see with this exercise. This whole sequence is a dynamic, complex movement involving many muscle groups. This is why the clean and press is such a calorie killer, while at the same time keeping those stabilizers on to protect our joints. You love this, Lisa.
Am I good? You make me laugh.
So go with it. And I can't read it anymore.
Kath, it's been great working with you. And to Susan and Wayne, a big thank you. What was that? Where did that come from? I was, improvisation.